What we have here today is a 12-inch Lasko oscillated table fan, model 3150A. Likely dating sometime around the late 70s, very early 80s, if I were to guess, probably around 1980, 1981. Fan is 3-speed and it does oscillate. Fan is in used condition, however, I do have the original box with it. This fan came out of the same house as the 16-inch Galaxy blue blade that I have also with the box. Couldn't get around to this fan for a little while as the fan was missing its plastic retainer screw for the blade. I had to source a replacement off of eBay. And as you can see, the bezel here is a little rough for wear. It could stand to be replaced as well, as most of the chrome is worn off of it from, I guess, cleaning over the years, and along with the Lasko script that would have been on the center, which is also gone. So I'll have to find a replacement bezel for it at some point, but that's not going to keep the fan from running. So, turn it around to the back side here. Actually, in pretty good shape for its age. Was pretty well taken care of. It was used quite a bit, but like I said, fairly well taken care of. So let's go ahead and start it up on low. As you would expect from these Lasko oscillators from this time period, very quiet low, throwing out a pretty good breeze. Go to medium. And high. Now, these fans are pretty powerful. Move a decent amount of air on high. Still not too overbearingly loud either. Start the oscillation up. It functions flawlessly. Back down to medium. Back down to low. Seems like the fiber washers have been worn quite a bit from use. That's why you hear the knock and sound while it oscillates. That's the only issue with these as they age. Take it back to high. And we'll let it coast. Alright, give you a closer look at the box here. Fan was sold at a store called Rinks for $31.88. This actually apparently was on sale for $25.50 when the original owner bought the fan. Side profile of the box. Other side, pretty simple. No paperwork with this at all. Information for the bottom. So yeah, this fan doesn't have its cage clips. I can always get some more. I just have it zip tied for the video. But yeah, these are pretty good fans. That's why you still see these all the time still today, even though these haven't been made for well over 20 years. But like I said, very good fans. They were sold like hotcakes, and they're still quite numerous today. So tells you how well these things were made. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 12-inch Lasko oscillating fan model 3150A from around 1980-1981. Stay cool. Take care. Peace.